Hello guys, are you a nature lovers and really like challenges? For those of you who really like challenges, of course, doing something that is considered scary by others is something normal for you. Well, in this video, I will tell you about challenging activities in nature. Curious? Well, in this video, I will tell you about challenging activities in nature which you can make as hobby. Curious? Come on, let's watch the video. The first is rock climbing. Rock climbing can be said to be one of the most extreme activities you can do in the nature. Even though it's extreme, the number of people who love rock climbing also never drops every time. The rush of adrenaline when climbing high, steep cliff is the main reason why this activity is excellent among nature lovers. How? Interested? The second is mountain biking. Mountain biking is one of the most adrenaline pumping experience. Dashing swiftly through forests, muddy roads, and various other obstacles. Not only does it make your adrenaline flow more swiftly, but it also you tougher physically and mentally. Why can be like that? Because why it can be like that? Because you have to be able to push your physique and your determination to achieve your goals. The third is cliff jumping. Cliff jumping is an extreme action where you stand and jump down from a steep cliff on the edge of the ocean. Cliff jumping, an activity that requires guts to conquer it. Not only that, people who want to try this extreme activity must also have good swimming skills. So if you can't swim, don't try to do this extreme activity, okay? The fourth is diving. Diving is a diving activity to see the beauty of the underwater world using a special breathing apparatus. This activity is suitable for those of you who like to see the natural beauty in the sea. Many places can explore its beauty, starting from Aceh in the western tip of Indonesia to Raja Ampat in Papua. Regardless, before trying to dive, you have to practice and get a diving certificate because that is a requirement. Okay, those are some challenging activities in nature. How? Is there anything that interests you in making one of the above activities your hobby? Don't forget to let me know if any. Okay guys, I think that's enough. Thank you for watching my video. Dadah!